If you're in the studio version of DaVinci Resolve and you want to make a shot and you want to have your subject in the center, you can just easily go to the inspector, click on the Smart Reframe option and then hit on Reframe, and you will see within seconds it will reframe everything properly. In rare occasions, let's just reset everything, will not be satisfied. So what we do now is we go to zoom in here and then we move it a little bit to the right. Then we go to the reference points option, put it where we want it and reframe. And now everything is in center as well. So very easy, very cool feature. Have fun with it and have a great day. Goodbye.